Good afternoon, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, June 7th. And we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. What an interesting day. First off, NQ comes out of balance on the daily and goes down as it takes out 3 days of balance and rips down and takes back the whole trend day from Thursday, June 1st. They go out with a double distribution day to the downside, afternoon rally high, and a price probe. Look at Righty. They do the exact opposite. Righty gaps higher and makes new highs late in the day. They go out there at a perfect pocket 1 point, 10 for 10, that's what they end up. So they end 10 wide and an afternoon pullback in I. Righty right now is the only one that's up in the daily. But remember, they've been the big laggards. So NQ is down. Righty is up. We're balanced on the daily. Look at us. And by the way, one other thing, NQ had an outside day down, which is bearish, and they have to start worrying about last week's low over the next 2 days to possibly have an outside week down. For us, we absolutely defended yesterday's low. Now, I'm still calling this a 4-day balance. So even if we take out today's low and Tuesday's low, I would call it balance until we took out Friday's low and got into the gap. I'm going to give the buyers their due. Some people might say if we take out Tuesday's low, we're going to be down. And that's fine. I don't have a problem with that. But for me, I'm going to say that we're in balance until we take out Friday's low. We end up with a poor low in both ES and SPY. We end 9 wide. Had a good day. Made 25 points, all on the short side. We saw the day very well, so we're only down 45 points on the week now after that debacle from Monday. Shorted A period against 4,300 when we came back through it and did well. Shorted C period against the 144 when we were below it. D period when I thought we would have single prints. E period I was short. G period I took a short. I was looking for the afternoon rally high, which we got, but I thought we might push higher, so I only did a 1 lot. And then in K period again took a short. So any opportunity on pushes up, I kind of took shorts throughout the day to make those 25 points. I really did not look for a long the entire day. As far as destinations go, for today, our POC is on the upside. So 427.05, 9 wide is our first destination to the upside. Then we have today's high of 429.62, and then we just missed Monday's high of 429.67. For the downside, we have 426.11, today's low, and a poor low, and then 425.99. So we just missed yesterday's low by 12 cents. In ES, today's low is 69.25, which is poor, and then 68.50 is a low. And on the upside, we have today's point of control, 42.79, is 9 wide. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot the afternoon rally high in SPY. 42.79 is 9 wide. Then we have our afternoon rally high of 83.75 and today's high of 04.75. So SPY's afternoon rally high is 427.55. Let me just write that down before I will forget it. And then just quickly on the charts, I want to show you a couple of things in SPY and then NQ. So here's SPY. So again, it's an art. It's subjective. I'm calling it a 4-day balance. Some people might call it a 3-day balance. If we take out Tuesday's low, they'll call it down. I have no problem with that. The bottom line is the balance high, though, is Tuesday's high. So we're in balance there. The monthly and weekly is still healthy. So here's triple Qs where some worry could come in. First off, here's the daily. They had an outside day down, so they're down on the daily. And then on the weekly, they have not taken out last week's low, so it's still healthy. But in the next 2 days, if they do take it out, and they're only away from it by $2, then the chance for an outside week down could possibly happen. Again, this market's had a tremendous run from balance, bull, and now we'll see if they come back into balance. So pulling back is really not the worst thing in the world for them if they are to do that. In fact, if you look at Apple, I had some people asking me about some stocks. Look at Apple. Apple made an all-time high. Now they have to worry about taking out last week's low, as they are kind of close to it. Again, it doesn't mean it's the end of the bull run in the NASDAQ. It would certainly mean we would be pausing and coming back into balance on the weekly if those things were to occur in Apple and triple Qs and NQ. Hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.